welcome to Bodhiflavours and welcome to a cooking class. We're gonna eat mostly raw tonight. I don't like my beans raw, so I'll chuck them in some hot water, blanch them quickly. It's just hot water, they're not boiling. I turn the heat off and I'll leave them like that for just a while. So we're going over to the beans. They've just been in here a couple minutes, that's all. And drain them. And to keep that lovely green, I just shock them with some cold water. There we go. That keeps them green and stops them from cooking. And these beans are gonna go with a little bit of sesame, which I prepared here, some shoyu, just kind of chopstick size. So they're still very crisp, they're not too cooked, not too soft. A little bit of shoyu and all of this sesame. You could also add wasabi if you like a little bit of spice in there. I like to work with my hands, so there you go. Right, that was very easy. You see, that didn't take very long. And we're set and ready.